Yeah, good job.
Good job,
We gotta wait for Jaden.
Watch out, Jaden.
Come here, Jaden. Come here. Ready? Oh, there we go. You don't want to get hurt. Oh, okay.
Go ahead, Jackson.
Go ahead, bud. Now you got
3,
room.
2, 1.
I just did not go over there.
Okay, why I'm wrestling. Who wants to go? Jaden, you want to go again?
Jaden, your turn.
You want to go again? Nope, that's not.